do calligraphy in Procreate, it's important to keep a few things in mind. The first is as you go down towards yourself, you're going to press harder on your pen, and as you go up away from yourself, then you press with less pressure. So pressing harder when I'm coming down gives me a thick stroke right here. Down is hard, and then light is up, and that gives you the contrast between thin and thick strokes, and that's what gives you this calligraphy look. It's also important to use a brush that has this pressure sensitivity built in. So the one that I'm using right now is the Streaks brush found inside of the calligraphy set. It's also important to use a stylus that has pressure sensitivity built in, so you'll want to use an Apple Pencil. If you want to learn how to transform your calligraphy into a beautiful finished piece, join our free workshop. I'm going to be teaching how to create this exact project step by step from start to finish. You'll get this same traceable template delivered to your email, and it's completely free. Just click on the button to sign up. Again, this is a free workshop happening on June 16th. I hope to see you there.